Glitters of life you only notice during rough times. You miss the sun in the pouring rain. You want to work out when you're in pain. You want to fall in love when you're hurt and above. You want to paint the world when you only know black color. You buy books you would never read. You don't want to stay, still you don't leave. You dream every night, which during the day you successfully manage to hide. Every morning you talk to the mirror, yet your reflection brings you terror. You hate to say things you truly mean, and you love the things you don't dream. You live in a facade made of illusion, then you look at your virtues with confusion. Glitters of life that you ignored all your life have been hiding beneath you all this while. Choose them over scanty doubt. Choose yourself through every blackout.